Hi, I'm Aluwani.
Hi, I'm Mukhethwa.
Hi, I'm Success.
Hi, my name is Njabulo and I joined the Canvas Graduate Program in March 2023.
I have an honors degree in computer science from Salt Lake University, Northern Cape. So upon recognizing the importance of gaining practical experience, I embarked on an internship program to further refine my skills and knowledge, which is when I joined the Canvas Intelligence Graduates Program. So the program appealed to me because of its reputation for fostering a culture of learning and growth.
I have a Bachelor of Science in IT degree from NW, and the reason why I joined the Canvas program is because that Canvas is amongst one of the best companies when it comes to data analytics, and it has a good reputation for delivering solutions for different clients that come from different industries. So I felt that me joining this program would be perfect to build a solid foundation in the data analytics space.
The Microsoft certification that I've obtained is the designing and implementation of the Microsoft Azure AI solution.
During this program, I managed to obtain a Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate certification.
The most valuable part for me was the mentorship that we got from our seniors. They would guide us on how to approach the projects that we got. Then they'll also assist us when we got stuck. And, again, they'll show us some interesting technologies that they were working with.
Yeah, being able to work on the project from both and front end, I got to see how capable I can be and versatile with the help from my seniors and the fellow graduates.
The Canvas Graduates Program has opened numerous doors for me professionally. Through real-world challenges and projects, I have expanded my skill set and gained valuable experience that will undoubtedly benefit me in future events.
My skills in SQL and Power BI have improved significantly. I've learned the art of extracting and transforming data using software such as Python and SQL, and then with that data, be able to tell a story using Power BI.
I had an opportunity of implementing AI capabilities on one of our projects, at which we were extracting data from a structured document. So the phase where I came across the problem was when we were training the model. So we had on the table, we had two different tables. So in order for me to cater for both tables, I had to create two separate models, because on a single model we were getting a low accuracy score, and that was going to affect the quality of the data that we're extracting.
It was being part of a team and working together to achieve a common goal, and also being in an environment that promotes continuous learning, where the seniors are more than willing to share their knowledge.
In the last 12 months, I'm proud to have successfully tackled multiple projects, which showed my ability to analyze complex problems and deliver effective solutions.
I'm proud of the skills that I have acquired during my time at Canvas Intelligence, and also the skills that I had before coming to Canvas have drastically improved. Data engineering. So some of the projects that I worked on, which I found most interesting, were the ones where I had to build data extraction programs and then process that data to make it usable. There are also some tools that I touched on a little bit that I would like to further my skills in.
I had a great year with the Canvas team and the grads. I'm so glad for this wonderful foundation to my career.
My time at Canvas Intelligence was full of learning and fun experiences during some of their social events. And I'm also glad that I got to start my career at Canvas Intelligence. I also got the chance to interact with highly skilled BI developers at Canvas Intelligence. So I had a great time.
During my time at Canvas, one thing that stands out most is the company's culture. From the moment that I stepped through the doors, I felt the sense of inclusivity and warmth that spreads throughout the organization. Another remarkable aspect about Canvas culture is the relationship between supervisors and the graduates. I never once felt intimidated by my supervisors, regardless of their expertise and their experience. In essence, one could say Canvas has built a culture where walls between supervisors and graduates simply don't exist.
My time at Canvas has been great, professionally and personally. The supportive culture, emphasis on continuous learning, and exposure to Microsoft's technologies has been instrumental in my growth. Shout out to Canvas. I'll be forever grateful for the opportunity that I've given.